So last Tuesday, I did 4 trays in 4 different marbly styles.
Yep.
And firstly, I was very surprised by how many people saw faces in the trays. I'm not seeing them, but I've not really had a proper close look because they're in the garden. Oh, spoilers.
Oh.
Hey folks, welcome to the channel.
Hello.
So in this video, this is a really quick one. I'm just going to seal all 4 of those trays with 4 different finishes. So the first one, which is the 4th tray. Oh, I really didn't think that through, did I?
This is going to get confusing. So the first one is actually the 4th one.
The first tray is the 4th tray in the last video. Do keep up. And I'm just going to do some beeswax. Just a straight, simple wax on, wax off.
Okay.
Like Karate Kid. What?
I've got nothing.
What do you mean you got? What was there to
Karate
have?
Kid.
Yeah.
That's not really he's not really wax on. It's more of a circle motion.
I was literally doing a circle.
That was
there.
what you were waxing on, but that's not.
I'm doing it in my head. Okay. So wax on, wax off.
Okay.
Rude. Honestly.
So what's the actual differences between each of the?
Well, if you watch this video,
yeah,
it will become clear.
I've watched this video several times.
And?
It's not clear.
Oh, that's it. As every single person stops watching us now. Thanks a lot.
Well, no, because I was just watching the video. I didn't have your beautiful commentary to guide me through the video.
I actually just threw up in my mouth. Don't ever say that sort of stuff again. So this one is, I am using the sealer, which comes from Elichem. If anybody hasn't watched the video that I put out last Tuesday, my eco resin of choice is always Aquacast. I absolutely love the stuff, and I don't think there's anything better available. There's lots available, but I think Aquacast is the best.
Okay.
So it's a personal choice.
Yeah.
That one's mine.
Yeah, fair enough.
So
discount code in the description.
No, I genuinely do love Aquacast. Now this is the Elichem Satin sealer.
Yeah.
Which is a soft sheen gloss. I suppose.
Like a satin look.
It's like a satin look. Yes, that's exactly what it is. Now, according to the instructions, you should put it on with a brush. This is the eggshell one, which is a matte finish, but it does make them watertight. Waterproof. Water resistant.
Water resistant or waterproof?
It makes them hydrophobic.
Okay.
Okay. Is the actual term.
Yes.
And this one gives it a completely matte finish. Now, the instructions for the Elichem sealer do say that you should put it on with a brush. I've never put it on. No, I tell a lie. I have put it on with a brush once, and it did not go well for me. Since then, I've used a sponge, but unfortunately, I actually have run out of my sponges.
Have you?
Yeah, I haven't now. I've got more.
I was going to say, because I've got a few.
So I know you have, but you hide things. You're a hoarder.
Uh-huh.
So I use these makeup sponges. I wouldn't recommend putting sealer on with them, to be honest.
No?
I didn't get on very well. Just a thing for me. I didn't get on very well putting it on with the makeup brushes, to be honest. I much prefer the actual sponges that I have. And then this one, I decided to use the Piñata varnish.
Yeah.
Because I actually wanted a high gloss finish. Now, disclaimer, this varnish is not designed for an eco tray.
Is it not?
No, it's designed to go on, like when you do alcohol ink art and things like that. That's what it's designed for.
I didn't like this one.
But I don't have a high gloss varnish. Yeah. I'm going to get one, but I don't have one.
Yeah.
I did have a look at them and I couldn't decide which one to get. So if anybody actually does use a high gloss sealer, let me know in the comments, because I would really like to add that to my
Ooh, slow motion replay.
Luckily, it's quite a gloopy substance and none of it fell out. But I tell you, the air was blue. Did you actually put the sound on when I did that?
I didn't know.
Oh dear, thank that. Good, because there was a long stream of, oh my goodness me.
Oh my golly gosh. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me just to post that as a short somewhere.
No, you can't. You cannot. But yes, I said, oh my goodness me.
Oh golly gosh.
Whatever has happened.
Gosh darn it.
Yeah.
But this one.
So I don't have a high gloss finish. So if anyone can recommend one, let me know in the comments. But I thought I need a varnish to do this trial. So I thought I'll just go with it.
And this is a quick note to our Glitterati members to say thank you for your continued support. You are all legends.
Indeed. It didn't come out as shiny as I was expecting it to, for starters, but then that's probably because it's not really
designed for that,
for this particular project. But to be fair, it does work. It does protect. It does seal. So whilst it's not designed for that, it does actually work.
Okay.
But you didn't like it.
No, I did not.
Would you like to explain why?
It smelled.
Yeah.
It was a very, very potent smell.
Mm-hmm.
And it as soon as you started using it, I got a woozy head. I had to leave the room.
You're such a drama queen. He's had a cold. He's had man flu this week.
No, it was definitely that.
He's had man flu this week. So as you can imagine, he has been, last rites sort of area.
I don't
Whereas
do that.
I am not the most sympathetic to his whinge bagging.
I don't whinge bag.
Anyway, this is a couple of hours later. And I'm just putting a second coat on all of them. Now, as you can see, I have had my delivery from Amazon. Bless their little hearts. And those are the sponges that I tend to use with the Aquacast sealer. Now, I can't remember what they're called.
Sponges.
They're sponges, but they're supposed to be used for clay or something, aren't they? They're a clay sponge or something.
I've got one for
clay. So, but I really like them for putting sealer on. So, yeah. But you can just see that sort of that satin sheen, which is quite nice because You
like a glistening tray.
Well, I've never really wanted a high gloss finish, but while I was doing this, I actually thought, do you know what? It would be really nice to have a high gloss.
Yeah.
So yeah. But anyway, this is just the second coat going on, and all you do with the Elechem sealers is you just wipe it on.
Spray it and then wipe it on.
Spray it and wipe it on. Yeah.
And then just leave it to dry.
And then just leave it to dry for a couple of hours. What I did is at this point I did this while he wasn't in the room because the whinging was real, people.
Yeah. I just didn't like it.
I know. I'm never allowed to use it again. Ever, ever, ever.
No, you can use it again, just not while I'm in the vicinity.
Well, if I start using it, will it mean you go away?
Yeah.
Excellent. So when you start asking me questions every 2 seconds, I'll just open the bottle.
Okay. I can fight fire with fire.
Oh, I don't even want to know.
I shall just bring spider clan in.
No, you won't.
Sit him on my desk.
That is forbidden.
Wow.
It's forbidden.
No.
Right. So I let them dry for a good... This is the next day, basically. So it was a good
day.
A good 12, 16 hours.
Okay.
Easily. And this is just me with a pipette of water just to show that it is definitely sealed.
Hydrophobic.
Sealed. And hydrophobic. Because if it wasn't, what would happen to the water?
It would actually seep into the tray.
It would seep into the tray. Absolutely.
The tray would absorb it.
Yeah, it's the wax. See, my normal sealer, my everyday, what I always go for is the wax.
The beeswax.
The beeswax. Yeah. Because I just find it quite easy, and I just find it quite easy to do.
Yeah.
But every now and then someone will say to me that they want a tray for their bathroom,
And you have to,
and then in which
seal
case
it. Yeah,
I'll
yeah.
tend to seal it with the Elichem sealers. I mean, I don't think it makes a huge amount of difference, to be honest. But I don't know.
we shall see.
But we shall see.
Yeah.
Because what I do is, because I liked tray 1 and I liked tray 4. I wasn't a big fan of tray 2, and I wasn't a huge fan. There is an elephant in that. I can see it now. I can see the elephant. Anyway, I wasn't. Apparently, Dobby is in one of them.
It's probably the same one.
I don't know. But I wasn't a big fan of the 2 and 3. And that's probably because I don't usually marble in that technique ever. I always do either 1,
which is this one,
yeah, or 4,
which is the first one.
Yeah, because that's what I like.
Yeah.
Oh,
no, I prefer that one.
Yeah, that one's. If you want it vibrant, I do one. If I want it not, I do the other, and that's pretty much all I do. So what I do is I just make sure that they are sealed, and there's nothing seeping in over the top, anything like that. And then I had an idea.
Yes, you did.
It was quite, let's just see. So I dry them off. And
good start.
My plan is to put them in the garden. And let them get soaking wet.
Well, we live in the UK, so it's going to get a good weather test.
They're going to get hot. Well, it's not a weather test. It's a temperature and moisture test, basically. So they're going to get hot. They're going to get cold. They're going to freeze. They are going to be rained on.
It's more, I mean, being in the UK, it's more likely to be rained on and frozen.
Yeah.
Than anything else.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, none of them I would... I suppose I mean,
what would you... I suppose if you had made a plant pot out of it and then...
Yeah, but the plant pot would be exactly the same.
Yeah. But you'd still seal it. And so it'd be a good test for if you wanted to make a plant pot. Well,
it would, apart from the fact that I've already made plant pots, and the ones that are sitting on our kitchen window are the ones I made.
Yeah, but they're inside.
But if you water them.
If you made a plant pot to go outside.
But that's not the purpose of this. Just shush. Right. The purpose of this is to see how much they can take before they crumble apart. I'm just curious.
Okay.
I made them pretty, and now I'm destroying them because I'm curious.
Okay. So you're going to turn them into an abomination?
No, they're still pretty. They'll just be crumbly pretty.
Crumbly.
I don't know. I honestly don't know how they will
I
perform.
reckon that you won't notice any difference.
Do you think so?
No.
Okay, well...
You might get a bit of bleach in from the sun.
Maybe. Well, we'll find out.
Yeah.
So this is me just popping them in the garden. And if you have made it this far...
Yeah.
And
well done.
You enjoy our creative sort of chaos, please do feel free to hit that like button.
And while you're down there, why not give the subscribe a little buff?
And thank you very much for joining us.
Yes, indeed.
Hopefully, we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah.
Have a great few days.
Yeah.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.